Welcome to Carnegie Masterchef. Don't skip this video. Maybe this video is the answer. Primary students who are members of the Culinary major take part in a cooking competition, namely Carnegie Masterchef. They prove that they can acquire cooking skills from an early age. Through this competition, they are also taught to compete healthily and be able to serve perfect food. Carnegie School is aware that children's abilities vary from one another. It is the job of Carnegie School to help develop the child's talents. One of them is cooking. If you are looking for a school that supports your child's talents, then join Carnegie School.
Thank you, Dr. Steven, to give facility that we can learn and improve ourselves for cooking so become the winner.